Hi Virgo, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Virgos. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, Virgos, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general energy, guys. So you can stay tuned for that. So let's see what are these cards, guys. Virgos. We have the Fool, Tower, and Wheel of Fortune. So in your situation, guys, Virgos, today you are seeing some major changes in your life. Today, guys, you may be seeing some new beginnings. Maybe in your work, new opportunities, some offers have reached you, and you are feeling so passionate about it, feeling influenced, inspired today to rush towards that new beginning. Happy for these new opportunities opening right in front of you, which uses your skills and talents, and you are rushing towards that. Maybe your instincts are making you move towards this choices or path you see right in front of you today, guys, Virgos. And I also see that there is a positive change with you moving towards these opportunities and offers. It is changing your life. Maybe it may be an offer in a different city. Maybe you are moving for work, moving to a different place. So you are changing your residence, maybe, or you are changing emotionally or spiritually. You may see a lot of changes, and this is an important time in your life, guys. You may see great changes in the way you are thinking and planning, because the opportunities that have come to you are something huge, something unexpected, and that is changing the way you are, and you need to make these changes to grab those opportunities. And you are living in your dreams. Maybe, guys, you feel that way. You are simply happy for these changes coming in your situation, guys, and you are enjoying success and prosperity today, and destiny may be the reason for things going in this particular way, guys. And you simply feel like you are you are living your dream, happy for the way things are going for you. So you are jumping with joy, and there are fortunate things opening right in front of you, and destiny may be the reason for things going in this particular way. Positive changes, a positive growth, positive changes in you emotionally, and great transformation in you spiritually. So positive growth and happiness, success, prosperity, and peace of mind. That is what I see, guys, Virgos. So today you are going to be extremely happy, and you are living your dream, guys, today, Virgos. You can be happy for that. So that is the reading with these cards, Virgos. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, guys, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Virgos. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first card and first crystal. This is your second card and second crystal. So whichever card you want to choose, you can first think about your situation. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card. after a few seconds of silence. So let's start the reading with the first card, guys. For those who chose this card and this crystal. So we will keep this card aside. So this is the card for y'all, guys. Be content. So it just means serenity, acceptance, and peace in our situation. So how do we find contentment in our circumstance? We face a lot of struggles, stress, and we fear everything in our situation. Maybe it is time we find that space within ourselves where we are able to accept certain things as they are. Maybe it is time we accept it as they are to give us that peace of mind. So this does not mean that you need to be complacent. It just contentment. It just means that accepting everything in our life as it is. Maybe certain things we are able to change, we have control over. But certain things which we cannot control, we should not let those things hijack our life, take control of us. So you need to embrace the things that you can change for the better, both in your internal and external environment, and working on to make the necessary changes one step at a time. But for those changes which we cannot change or which we do not have any control, we must accept it as it is and do not feel any pain or feeling lost because we are unable to control that circumstance or that choice or that person. So whatever it is, guys. So living one day at a time, not worrying about the past or stressing about the future. So that will also help to bring peace of mind, harmony, balance, and serenity in our hearts, guys. So that is the angel's guidance with this card for y'all, guys. For those who chose this card, this is the time for peace and happiness, and the way to do that is accepting your situation as it is without stressing. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this crystal and the second card, it says building blocks. So in our life, in this situation, maybe we are making a great progress in our life and things are gaining momentum right now in our situation, and it is an extraordinary time to focus on the things that are important to us today, guys. Maybe in this relationship, it just means that we are moving towards some new connection, some new relationship, or we are making the existing relationship much more better. We are laying that strong foundation. And how to have that strong foundation in this connection? We must build it on honesty, humility, clear understanding, and that desire and that love to know each other, understand each other. So by doing that, we are forming a strong foundation in this relationship, and that way this relationship will withstand any storm or any tough time that we face together, and it will help us to repair and strengthen this connection we have with each other, and we both will grow wiser, powerful, and stronger together. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So in the same way, even in our work situation, the right way to build a strong foundation in our career is by having that positive intentions. So whatever dreams and aspirations we need for us to reach the goals we have in our life. We must feel inspired to do that, and we should march on towards the truth with that truth in our heart. So we want to achieve certain things, we must put our honest efforts, so that way we will be able to reach success very soon, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.